Hello and welcome to another Spanish lesson with me, Eva. Today we will be talking about the accent in Spanish words. Okay, so as I said, today we will talk about the accent or where in a word we have a syllable that is highlighted, that is stronger, that we pronounce, that we put more stress on, okay? If a word is only one syllable, well, there's nothing to worry about. But the moment we have two syllables, three or even more, we need to know which of those syllables will be accentuated or which of those syllables will be stressed, okay? Good. Just to give you an example, an English word, mystery, okay? 3 syllables, mystery, mystery. The accent is on the first syllable, mystery. If we were to change it, or someone who's learning English as a foreign language, and they see the word written, they've never heard it, and if they were to say mystery, an English person most likely wouldn't understand them. And the only thing they did was put the accent in the wrong place. They've put the stress on the second syllable instead of the first one. Mystery, or even mystery. Mystery. Mystery sounds like Mr. Re, not mystery anymore. So placing the accent on the right syllable is important in English and in Spanish, okay? Luckily for you, there's a rule in Spanish, okay? So if you learn the rule and you see a word for the first time and you've never heard anyone say it before, just by seeing the word, you will know exactly which syllable is the accentuated one, okay? Which one you need to place the stress on, okay? Good. So let's see how this rule works, or what the rule is. Let's say we have a 3-syllable word. Very simple. Ba, na, na. Okay? I didn't say it all together on purpose because I don't want you to hear where the accent is just yet. Okay? Maybe you know the word and maybe you've guessed it, but that's not the point now. So, the Spanish language only allows the accent to fall either on the last syllable or the one before. Okay? Those are the only 2 syllables that can officially or legally have the accent. Okay? Either the last one or the one before. And how do you know which one it is? Well, it all depends on the very last letter of that word. Okay, so you look up the last letter, and if that last letter is a vowel, which is the case with this word, or an S or an N. So if the word ends in a vowel, S or N, the accent will be on the syllable before the last one, on the penultimate syllable, okay? So this one here will be the accentuated one. Banana, okay? Banana. It's not banana and it's not banana. It's banana. Why? Because in this case, the word ended with a vowel, okay? Same would happen with words that end with an S or the words that end with an N, okay? An example with an S, the easiest is to just have a plural of any noun. So, I don't know, ventana is a window, but let's say we have plural, ventanas, windows, okay? And it's ventanas, okay? It ends with an S, so it's this one here, ventanas, okay? And N, the easiest is to find, just pick a verb that conjugated until we come to one that ends in N. So for example, they sing is cantan, cantan. Okay, so we have two syllables here, can and tan. It ends with an N, and again, it's the penultimate syllable that is accentuated. Cantan, cantan. Okay, so always remember, if the last letter of the word is a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, or A, E, I, O, U, an S or an N, it is the penultimate syllable that will be accentuated. Banana, ventanas, cantan. Okay? All the others will have the accent on the last syllable. Okay? Okay. Let's see. A word that ends in, I don't know, beber is to drink. Me gusta beber. I like to drink, for example. Not true, but let's say, me gusta beber. Beber is to drink, okay? We have ber. This is not a vowel, it's not an S, it's not an N, so it's this last syllable that is accentuated. Beber. Or, I don't know, liberty is, okay? We have libertad. Again, it's not a vowel, not an S, not an N, so it's the last syllable that is accentuated. Libertad. Libertad. It's not libertad, it's not libertad, it's libertad. Okay? That's the rule. If it ends, one more time, in a vowel, S or N, it's the penultimate syllable, and all the others, it will be the last one. And now, a bonus, in case you've seen words that have this graphic accent, when do we use this? Whenever this rule that I've just explained is broken, you need to say, mea culpa, my mistake, I broke the rule, and you put this tilde, it's called, this accent mark, you put this tilde, I will write the name here, you put it on the syllable where the accent is, okay? A few examples where the rule is broken and where we need to admit it and say, sorry, oops, broke the rule, here's the tilde. A word that ends in a vowel but doesn't have the accent on the penultimate one. Let's see. So this one will always have tilde and all the other syllables before. A word that ends in a vowel. Let's see. Soap. Oh no, but this one doesn't end in vowel. It ends in N, sorry. Jabón. We have ha and bon. It ends in N, so it should really be, according to the rule, it should be here. Jabón. but it's not habon, it's habon, and that's why we've marked it with this tilde, okay? Habon. Another one that ends in S, jamás. Again, 2 syllables, ends in S. You would expect the accents to be on this one, and yet it's on the last one. And because we've broken the rule, we have to indicate it with this tilde. Jamás means never. Never, ever. No? Jamás. And, oh God, let's see if I can come up, think of a word that ends with a vowel. I don't know, a name, a woman's name is Marilo. Again, it should be Marilo, no? Because it ends in a vowel. You would expect it to be on the penultimate one, Marilo, but it's not. It's Marilo, and that's why we put this accent, this graphic accent mark on O, and let everyone know, look, it's not where it should be, it's here. It's not where you would expect it to be, it's here, okay? And that is why when you are reading or you first come across a word in written form, obviously if someone says it, you will hear it, okay? You will hear where the accent is. But if you first see a word written down, or you're reading something, you know exactly how to pronounce it or where to put that accent, okay? You know the rule. If it ends in a vowel, S or N, the accent will be on the penultimate one. Otherwise, in all other cases, it's on the last one. And if you see this tilde, then you don't even have to worry about the rule. Then you just know that the rule was broken and now it's here where this tilde is telling you. Okay, so you know when you see this word, you know to say Marilo, jabón, jamás, right? Okay, so that's all you need to know when it comes to accentuating correctly Spanish words, okay? So, if you don't see a tilde, think of the rule, and if you see the tilde, then easy peasy. Just accentuate, just stress the syllable that the tilde is telling you to stress, okay? Good. Okay, before you go, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button if you've liked this lesson, if you understand how the rules of accentuation, so to speak, go, then like it, and I'll see you again in the next lesson.